In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create the dotted halftone pattern effect in Canva. This classic print-inspired look turns your photo into a field of clean, graphic dots, perfect for posters, thumbnails, and retro designs. It's based on traditional print halftoning, where varying dot sizes create the illusion of tones and shading. So you get that vintage newspaper or pop art feel while keeping your design crisp and modern for screens. Start by opening your project in Canva and selecting the image you want to stylize. Photos with clear shapes and good contrast tend to translate best into dots, but any image will work. Make sure the image is selected so the effect knows which element to target. If you are working with a busy scene, just keep in mind that the halftone will simplify some of that detail, which can actually help your subject stand out. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click Apps. In the search bar, type Screen. You are looking for the Screen app, which generates a halftone pattern automatically. When it appears, select it to apply the effect to your chosen image. Canva will preview the result right away, so you can see exactly what's happening before you commit. Now, tune the look by adjusting the scale of the dots. Smaller dots preserve more detail and create a smoother, subtler texture, great if you want the subject to remain crisp. Larger dots simplify the image and push it toward a bold, graphic poster vibe that reads well from a distance. Take a moment to zoom in and out while you adjust, so you can judge how the pattern feels at both close and typical viewing sizes. Watch edges, midtones, and gradients if fine lines or facial features start to break apart. Nudge the scale smaller. If the image feels noisy, go larger to simplify the shapes. Aim for a balance where the subject is recognizable. The background doesn't overpower, and the dots look even across light and dark areas. You are looking for a setting that feels intentional, not accidental. When you are happy with the result, click Save to apply the effect to your image. This commits the halftone settings and brings you back to your canvas with the dotted look baked into that element. If you change your mind, you can always step back and reapply. But saving confirms the style you've chosen for this design. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.